Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new, then hi there, my name is Kavi. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you decide to subscribe and stay here and also hit that little bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this week I decided to do a monthly's favorites. So if you do want to see that, then let's go. First category, which is jewelry. I am obsessed with these silver earrings. They are just like the perfect little touch to any outfit. I've been wearing it every single day and I look way better with like little stud earrings rather than with hanging jewelry. For the category of music, I have been obsessed with the third album of the band Infinite. They are my favorite K-pop group. I literally absolutely love their music, and this album, oh my gosh, it's just, I got this album as a gift from one of my best friends. Second thing that I'm obsessed with the music category is, if you guys don't know, there was an anime called Inuyasha just a couple years ago, and I really like Inuyasha's Lullaby. It is just an absolutely amazing, beautiful, soothing song. If you guys never heard it, I'll leave a link to it below. Definitely listen to it. The category of cosmetics and personal care, we have this Enchanted Kiss Intimate Secrets Shimmering Body Mist. This smells super amazing. It's jasmine and cherry blossom. Not only does it smell really amazing too, but the shiny dust does remain on your skin for literally quite some time. Sometimes I even take a shower and it still remains. And also I've been obsessed with this GNC face cream that has vitamin A, D and E. It works really well, and guess what, it's also super cheap. I also love these two lipsticks as a great combo. It just gives me that perfect color that I want. It's the Jordana Sweet Matte Lip Cream in, I think it's Rose Macaroon, and Jordana Matte in Milano. Now these two colors are great on its own. As you can see here, the Milano is the one on top, the first brownish one. The second was this gorgeous pink, which is the Sweet Matte Lip Cream. But together they give me that perfect light pink nude, and it just looks great. If you are dark skin like me, you should definitely try this nude out. For stationery, my favorite is again my favorite band, and this is a folder from them, and these two really adorable emoji pens. They are just like the best. To be honest, they are too cute to even use. I don't even really want to use them. And like the faces are like super soft. Like I swear, if they were bigger, I would probably be using them as a pillow to be sleeping in school. The next thing that I've been loving this month is this really absolutely soft Plea and Jesse. I know it's just a Plea and Jesse, but I don't know why I'm obsessed with it, because it is super soft, number one, and number two, it is just this gorgeous color. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's like, actually, I think it's like millennial pink, but it looks kind of brown. It's like this nude dusty pink. I really love it. So I believe it's millennial pink. And also I've been using this lavender essential oil for like countless times now. It like really helps me to like calm down and just relax, and I use it to sleep at night. Also I put it on my pillows and the wrist of my hands, and it smells awesome and just puts me in that super calm mood. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what are your monthly favorites for this month. Bye. Pero no puedo dejar que te vaya.